Good afternoon, my name is Yunigo Ignacio, and I talk about mobile application, prototype and management of laboratory instruction, and geoequation. Introduction. This work focuses on the design of a prototype system for support activities for laboratory instruction and geoequation. In order to improve on proper planning and organization, it increased the number of users by different schools in these days. This design is developed in base of problems identified before and after of a class's laboratory courses. Related work. First, we have web-based teaching tools. Second, a virtual free mechanical laboratory to supplement physical laboratory experiments. Third, we have a remote virtual lab for mechanical engineering education. Finally, we have an Android-based 3D interactive mobile app. Problem. The management of laboratory instruction in engineering education takes much time and it affects the student and professor every day before and after her classes or laboratory courses. Proposal. Proposal consists in three modules: module requests, module claims, module instruments for develop in application. And how it works, we can see in this figure one. The architecture. The architecture for develop the specification and design of the interface. The software used Mobflow Wireframe Pro. To develop that application, we use Meet App Inventor like IDE, MySQL database, scripts for programming language. Procedures. Procedure applied in soil and pavement civil engineering laboratory in two stages. The first stage is before the lab clubs. We see the professor thinking about the requested instruments for the lab clubs. And after, we have a second actor, the laboratory worker, with a question on how many instruments were broken but unreported. In the stage 2, we have the same cases using the developed application in order to improve the management of requirements by professor, students, and laboratory workers using their cell phone. Experiments. This is the experiments for develop a login to mobile application when the students and professors use the email institutional. This testing request module consists of 3 steps for request module to mobile application. This test is testing instruments module that consists in 2 steps. And the claims module testing consists of 3 steps. Illustrate. Conclusion. In this work, the design process for prototype development can be used and implemented in different mobile platforms for benefits of different types of laboratory instruction in order to improve the management problems detected. The procedure based in the scenarios to identify how the management of traditional laboratory instruction works. See figure 2, like stage 1, which take many time requests, claims, and instrument requirements by professors and students, were reduced in a second scenario. See figure 2, like stage 2, where the management of laboratory instruction use a mobile device application proposed. This made easy to use and control of management of lecture instruction. Content details, that's all.